Early on a Friday morning. You already know. Thanks. But as you see, I already got the Milwaukee, because I think that these are basically 800 lumens. Milwaukee is 1300, I believe. What we got over here?
I bet you the money's calling me, huh?
The money? Oh, the morning? No, I leave the heater on all night.
Damn. Why? It would be too far, huh? Way cheaper.
We got your holiday chairs.
You hook up electric to your truck like you are? Yeah.
It's a bonus set right here. Part number.
That's what it is. Looks like
Now you got it.
A lot of new deals going on.
Big black box. You said you got it. You got it.
I got it.
Happy holidays. Snow caliber press.
Ah, there it is. More than that?
Whoa.
Then I start thinking about it, and I start getting hot.
think about it.
Yeah, no, that's a lot of money. Because I need to get this $6.
I can't trust you, so $6.25.
See? You should have trusted.
Jeez.
I want to look at this light, bro.
I'm gonna order it. I can't have it all on the truck.
It's only $34.
You want it?
Yeah. Not I want it. Red.
Okay, so as you already know, just basically got off the truck. I'm back in the shop at the moment, right? But I got a job to get to, so stay tuned. We're gonna get back into this right here, and I also picked up a few things from off the truck, so stay tuned. Basically, for this little tool haul I'm gonna give you in a little while, and like I always state, I always keep my signature lingering somewhere in the background. My Dunkin' Donuts coffee, as usual. It's time to make the donuts, so wake up. Okay. Check you later.